Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can install Node.js in Hostinger. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. First of all, log into Hostinger hPanel and then you need to press on VPS. Then you need to look for KVM VPS and press Get Now. On this window here, choose the best server latency here and then press Next. Then what you need to do here on this window here, you need to write Open. First you need to select application and you need to write open light speed, and it should be somewhere here, open light speed and Node.js. Press select. Then here you need to create a password and press next. Then you can add some additional features if you want to. Some of them is paid, some of them is free. Then press next, and here you need to select the plan that the most desirable for you, and after you pay for the plan, your Node.js will be automatically installed in your VPS settings. So yeah, that's basically it, and if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.